Hey, what's up? So it's evening time and I'm feeling too hungry. So I was thinking what to make quickly that's yummy and easy to make. And that's when I thought of the right thing, hummus. So hummus is something which you can eat with falafel, pita bread, but I love it with a warm toast. So I'm going to show you exactly how I make hummus at home. And it's very simple and easy to make and it's super delicious, and the bonus is that you can store hummus for at least a week if preserved properly. So coming to the ingredients, I'll show you what I have today. So I have the ingredients here with me which I'm going to use today. So here are some boiled chickpeas. So I soaked these chickpeas overnight, and today in the evening I boiled it, and this is how it looks. I have some olives, black olives for decoration. These are sesame seeds which I have soaked in water, which we will use here to give it a creamy consistency. And the next thing I have is curd. So usually people add water to the hummus, but I like to add curd because it gives a bit more creamy consistency. And of course I have some garlic pods. This is just peeled, soaked and peeled, and obviously I have a lime and some olive oil. So first things first, since everything is boiled here, so I don't need to show you how I boiled it. I'll directly put this in this jar. So I'll just add this entire boiled chickpea here. This is 2 cups of chickpea or chole soaked overnight. I'll add the water also. To this I am adding the garlic pods. I'll just add them. I am adding the dahi. And I'll just add this sesame seed with the water because I anyway need to add a little bit of water. We'll give this a quick whisk, adding salt for taste, and then we'll quickly whisk everything. So what we'll do is we'll not whisk the entire thing. I'll add a little bit more water. So I'm adding a little bit more water. And nicely mix everything. So we'll give it another whisk and then we'll see what it becomes. So this is ready. Looks, you get this consistency, and so I'll add the lime juice after the whisking is done for the tangy flavor.